Hello everyone and welcome back to the MUFFINS Keto Cooking Edition. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below, and if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. If you're unaware what keto means, it stands for ketogenic diet. It's a low-carb, high-fat diet that lowers blood sugars and insulin levels and shifts the body's metabolisms away from carbs and towards fats and ketones. And of course, it helps you lose weight. On the menu today for breakfast, we'll have lemon blueberry keto muffins, pepperoni, bell pepper, and sausage keto pizza for lunch, and skillet chicken cacciatore for dinner. By the way, these are lazy keto recipes. I did not count any calories, but I will link the website links below so you could try to get your calorie counts if you would like to do this precisely. A very useful baking tip I learned was to lightly coat your blueberries with flour so they won't sink to the bottom while baking. Something useful that I like to do is fold in the blueberries instead of stirring it. This will keep the blueberries nice and plump and not all mushy and gushy inside of your batter. First, we're going to start off by making the crust for our pizza. We actually ran out of mozzarella cheese, so I did add some shredded Kobe Jack in there. After I put the cheese in the microwave for 2 minutes, this was the final product. You're going to need 2 sheets of parchment paper to roll the cheese dough in between to make a flat and even pizza crust. Feel free to decorate your pizza any kind of way you want. Just make sure the ingredients are keto approved. Here I'm adding just a little bit more bacon grease and a cube of butter for a little bit more flavor in my vegetables. Next, I'm going to crank up the heat and let these flavors marry each other before I add the next ingredient. After I cook my vegetables down a bit, I transfer them into a small bowl, only leaving a little bit in the bottom of the pan for my seasoned chicken to be fried in. At this point in time, your kitchen should be smelling so good right now. If your kitchen not smelling good, you done did something wrong. After I place the remaining vegetables on top of the seasoned chicken, I'm going to place the lid on top and let those flavors really get to know each other underneath there. My mom, Granny, and I did this ketosis diet for a week, and altogether we lost 20 pounds, so I know for certain that this diet works. After I let the chicken broil in this pan, I'm going to transfer it into a roasting pan with a lid and put it in the oven for about 10 minutes on 400 degrees. Y'all, this chicken was for real the bomb.com. I sided it with some cheddar cheese broccoli and it was amazing. Hopefully these 3 meals can help you kick off your ketosis journey. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like and leave a comment below. See you later.